how to add a Chrome Bookmarks widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on a empty spot. Next, go down and then tap on Widgets. And from here, scroll down, then tap on Chrome. After that, we scroll down and then drag the Chrome Bookmarks widget. So touch and hold and then drag it and place it on the home screen. Now you can drag on one of the handle on the corner to resize the widget. So here we can drag it out to make it larger or smaller and then let go. And that's it. So the bookmark widget has been added to the home screen. If you tap on it, you will be able to quickly access the bookmark from your Chrome browser. So here I can just tap on it to quickly open up the bookmark. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you want to delete the widget, you can touch and hold on that, then tap on removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching.